What's going on, guys? Derek from Legendary here, coming at you with a Gala Games update. Just wanted to let everybody know, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. But Gala Games has an incentive to upgrade to gold if you haven't yet, before the new year. So they've announced this in the official Discord. I'll drop a link to this below. But there's also a post on their blog you can find. If you go gold before the new year, you're going to get a new Echoes of Empire character profile NFT. And I checked out this post on their Discord. You can see Gala Gold. It has the Express Depot up here, and also this new profile for Echoes of Empire that's going to be coming out. So those are just two things. I also got a rare Gala Snow Globe just the other day. Just randomly, there was no announcement. They just kind of sent it to everybody who was a gold member at that time. So there are some good perks. It's relatively inexpensive, $50 for a lifetime membership. So I think the cost is low enough to, if you were considering getting into the play-to-earn gaming space, to just go ahead and do it. I want to say this will probably be worth more than the price alone in the future. You can sell these NFTs. You obviously own these. So if you're thinking about upgrading to gold, if you can do it before the new year, it's a great opportunity. I just confirmed from one of my subscribers on my channel that you do need some Ethereum for the gas fees to upgrade to gold. So I was talking to Pete here on YouTube, and you do need Ethereum to pay for the gas fees. So a lot of times you have to let it settle before you can send it from Coinbase. If you happen to have some ETH and you can make it in time, it might be worth doing. They're taking a snapshot on the 31st. If you have gold by then, you're going to get this. And notice that it says anyone who's upgraded before 2022 is going to receive this. And it does say it's going to have some utility in the Echoes of Empire game. So it's not just a profile picture. It will have some in-game utility, which is cool. Lots of games coming. They have 10 or so in development right now. I'm still playing Townstar right now. I'm not like super invested into this. I just have been playing around with it. You can see I go several days in between even collecting my reward, since I just have the Express Depot and I get one town. But it is a cool space. Kind of excited about it. Some of the future games they have coming look pretty cool. And just the whole concept of play-to-earn gaming, I think will be big in 2022. So pretty low risk. I mean, $60, that's like one Xbox game, right? So you can upgrade to gold, get some cool rewards, and play some of these games for free right now. Like Townstar was free this year. I'm sure they'll have others like that in the future to try to build up their platform. But wanted to put this out here before the 31st. You can see here in the official Discord and on their blog some of the rewards. You get leaks on Discord, so you get your special profile here. You can see it's a gold member. You also get upgraded on Discord, so you're you get access to these gold channels, and you can see the Gala Gold emblem next to people's name here. So pretty cool. If you're into gaming and want to learn more about this, just go to app.gala.games and check out their site, see what they got going on. Make sure if you're interested to upgrade before the 31st. That snapshot's going to be right before the new year. So you have time to get this done. You can see they've sent rewards like this before. I actually missed this one, but I did get the Gala Snow Globe, and I'll be here in time for the snapshot to get this next reward as well. So wanted to get this out there for anyone who's been following the videos. Make sure you guys jump in if you're interested. Stay tuned to future updates. I'll try to keep you guys up to date on games I'm trying and stuff like that, and any new deals they might have going. Appreciate you guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Leave a comment, drop a like on the video if you got some value, and I'll catch you on the next one. Stay legendary.